You come and see. As soon as you unscrew this oil cap, I can let you know what's wrong with your car. I've been fixing cars for so long, and today I'm going to tell you all about my experience. First, after lighting the fire, you twist the oil cap by hand and find that there is a large dilute, generally speaking. If the exhaust valve is broken, the exhaust valve is broken, and the vehicle will definitely burn the oil. You just need to replace the waste gas valve and the problem will be solved immediately. Second, unscrew the oil cap and check whether there is a large amount of black sludge on the back of the oil cap. If there is one, it means that the car was previously filled with fake engine oil. When you want to buy a used car, you must check it out at the first time. Otherwise, you buy the car back and it will have to be repaired in minutes. Third, if your car is not powered enough, the fuel consumption is still high. Let's unscrew the oil cap and smell the back of the oil cap. If there's a strong smell of gasoline, it means that the high-pressure oil pump of this car is broken. You replace it. The problem is solved immediately. Let's unscrew the oil cap. If there is a large amount of milky white liquid on the back of it, it means that there is water in the oil. Generally, the oil diffuser is broken. Let's replace it. The problem is solved immediately. Fifth, after the fire is lit, unscrew the oil cap. If the pressure is particularly large, we have to inject oil to show that the cylinder of this car is seriously worn. And when we buy a second-hand car, we should not buy this kind of car when it is killed. Sixth, after the fire is lit, the sound of starting the oil suction tank. Let's unscrew the oil cap and the sound disappears immediately. It shows that the crankshaft forced ventilation method of this car is broken and you replace it. The problem is solved immediately. Seventh, the oil on the driving surface of your car is good. Don't listen to the car repair shop fooling you. They recommend to you the most profitable ones. Let's unscrew the oil cap on the back of the oil cap. There is the most suitable oil number for your car. Let's follow this to buy it. No problem. How about it is not particularly simple? I am afraid that you will not remember to make a table for you. Hurry up and collect it so that when you go to repair the car in the future, you will no longer be afraid of being cheated and shut up. Little Red Book.